I'm Gary Davidson, and I handle the real estate practice group here at Castle Law. I want to talk today about the types of financing and how you submit offers, whether it's financing, cash, or financing with no mortgage contingency. So there are three main in most real estate contracts way that you could submit an offer. Number one, the most basic, cash. There's no contingency for financing. There's no contingency for an appraisal. You're simply paying cash for the property when you put your offer in, absent there being an issue in attorney review or on the inspection. If you don't close, you'll lose your earnest money and could potentially be sued for specific performance, which is just fancy legalese where they can force you to buy the property. The second most common way is financing contingency, that you are getting a mortgage and that the contract is contingent on your ability to get a mortgage. In the event that you're unable to secure financing for the property, your earnest money is refunded. The third way that is often used by mostly investors is cash transaction mortgage allowed. Now, that seems somewhat odd because you'd think if there's a mortgage, then it's technically not cash. But what that means is that it's not contingent on financing. So if you're using a hard money lender, a private money lender, perhaps your parents are loaning you the money. If they decide that they're not going to give you that loan, then and in that case, earnest money again would be forfeited and potentially you could be sued. Now, you might ask yourself, well, then why would anybody ever use that option? And one of the reasons is to make your offer stronger. If you know that your loan's going to get approved and you don't feel like there's any reason why, it sets yourself apart from the rest of the people who are making offers that you're not going to back out of this transaction because you're that confident that you'll be able to get financing in place. So those are the three options for financing. I'm Gary Davidson. I head the practice group here at Castle Law. Contact us at any time where we're here to help you get from contract to closing quickly.